Croatian, this is called Taste of Adam. Rasa Adam. Adam is a brand of West Sumatra province. These are the capital city of West Sumatra. Adam representing all West Sumatra as the offer in the context of nature, culture, and culinary. The product costume is employed this brand. The bride is wearing a long-tail attire. It's full of embroidery, which symbolizes the wealthy nature of West Sumatra. Alright, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for our bride and groom Taste of Adam.